There's a car that doesn't just drive down the road, it owns it. This is the 2026 BMW M3 Competition. And if you think this is just another fast sedan, stick around, because what's hiding under that hood is a different kind of obsession entirely. Pop the hood and you'll find a 3.0-liter twin-powered turbo inline-6 engine. And in the standard competition sedan, it puts out a staggering 503 horsepower, along with 479 pound-feet of torque. That power goes straight to the rear wheels, launching this car from 0 to 60 in right around 4 seconds flat. But if you think that's impressive, hold on, because BMW didn't stop there. Enter the M3 Competition xDrive. Same engine, but now it sends power to all 4 wheels, and the result is brutal. 523 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 2.9 seconds. Think about that for a second. Your brain hasn't even finished processing the launch before this car is already doing highway speed. Top speed comes in around 182 miles per hour, and the wild part, how composed it stays getting there. Why? Because underneath is BMW's precision-tuned M suspension, adaptive dampers, and a chassis engineered to devour corners like it was born on a racetrack. Power gets sent through an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission that shifts so fast, so smooth, you don't feel the gear change. You just feel a continuous, relentless surge of acceleration. Step inside and it feels less like a sedan and more like a cockpit. The M Sport seats grip you into place. Carbon fiber trim wraps the cabin in aggression. And BMW's curved display, paired with a heads-up display, gives you a modern, premium experience that makes every single drive feel like an event. Full merino leather upholstery, xDrive professional mode, and those signature M compound brakes with black calipers. It all comes together to turn this car from a machine into a statement. Now let's talk numbers that matter. The rear-wheel drive competition sedan starts at around $83,775. Step up to the xDrive version, and you're looking at roughly $88,875. And if you go all in with options like the executive package or the parking assistance package, fully loaded builds can climb toward $96,000 or more. So the real question isn't whether this car is fast. The real question is, can you actually handle this level of obsession? Because the 2026 BMW M3 Competition isn't just a car. It's a challenge thrown straight at anyone who thought they already knew what speed felt like. This is the real thing, and the moment you drop into that driver's seat, you'll realize every drive before this one was just a warm-up.